Your business pulls you in a lot of different directions. Managing HR is just one of them. But you never know what questions may arise. What if you had a team to turn to that could take the guesswork out of HR, save you time by researching the answers for you, and help protect your business? One made up of friendly, approachable HR professionals dedicated to helping people just like you find the HR information they need, no matter what size your business is or the industry you work in. A caring partner by your side to help manage your HR issues, large and small, so you can focus on growing your business. One that says, "Don't worry, we've got this." Now you can, with the all-new HR Support Center. Much more than a collection of links and documents, we offer in-depth advice and insights you can't find anywhere else. All backed by a smart, fast, secure online portal packed with exclusive HR tools like custom employee handbooks, job descriptions, training materials, and much more. Plus, with HR On Demand, get live unlimited consulting with our team of certified HR pros, HR experts who are easy to talk to and are ready to help. But don't just take our word for it. 98% of users surveyed say they would recommend our services to others. So, what are you waiting for? Get ready to experience HR in an entirely new way with the HR Support Center and HR On Demand.